Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bruno from the BTNHD, and yes, we are continuing our VR build under $800, and today we're dealing with the graphics processor, which we're actually going to be installing the GTX 970 and some memory. So let's open up our HAF Cooler Maste tower and get started. Okay, so I opened up both side panels on our Cooler Maste HAF 912 computer tower. The reason why, because I had to remove this guy, or the screws are in the other side, and I had to unscrew them. These are the screws right here. There's 4 of them. And the reason why I had to unscrew this guy here, which is an extra cradle to install hard drives, is because our GTX 970 is too long. It's gonna hit this guy right here. And we need to insert it on this port right here. This port is actually our PCIe by 16 or 16 lane port that we need to insert it. So I already took the screws out. It's really easy. Other side panel, just basically use a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all 4 screws. You're gonna basically squeeze and lift up to remove it, okay? And that will give you extra space to put your graphics card. And the next thing that we need to do is hook up our ESD strap before we even touch any device, and we're good to go. So again, today's video, we're going to be inserting our GTX 970 as well as our memory stick. Again, we're trying to stick under our $800 budget. I picked up the Crucial 8 gig memory stick, so that's good to go. Most likely in the future, I'm going to be upgrading to something else. And here goes our graphics processor. So let's put the static bag on the side. And here it goes, beautiful. Awesome, cool. So I'm gonna put this guy on top of our status bag. And what we need to do is locate our slot to insert. So I'm gonna take the GTX 970 and I'm just gonna slowly insert right there. And the 2 that I need to remove are the first 2. So the 1, 2, these are the 2 guys that I need to remove. So I'm just going to take the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these screws. There goes 1 and 2. Cool. Put that to the side. And let's grab our GTX 970. And let's place it real easy on that PCIe 16 port. Oh, actually, I have to move the 3rd one. The 3rd one I have to move. Looks like I have to move this one. All right, awesome. So it looks like we actually need slot 2 and 3. Let's see if that works out. And we're gonna just slide this guy in there. Awesome. Looks like it's inserted slightly within our PCIe by 16 slot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my left thumb and my right thumb and just evenly put pressure on both sides until I hear the click. There it goes. Awesome. Looks like it clicked. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 of these little screws and we're going to screw our GTX 970 to our tower to keep it nice and secure. Okay. And that's it. Our GPU is inserted. Super excited. This is where our power supply goes. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is insert our memory stick. Again, we have 1 module, which is from Crucial, 8 gig, and we're gonna insert it within our Gigabyte Z170X-UD3 motherboard. This motherboard only has 4 DIMMs, and we're going to insert it on DIMM 1. I know you guys can't see which one is DIMM 1, but DIMM 1 and 2 are gray color, and DIMM 3 and DIMM 4 are kind of black color. You always want to insert it on DIMM 1 and DIMM 2 if you have 2 modules. I'm only going to be inserting it into our DIMM 1. When you're inserting memory, make sure that this little guy matches the DIMM slot within the motherboard, okay? Okay, so it's nicely firmly inside our DIMM 1 slot. So I'm going to take our left thumb and our right thumb and just firmly on both sides just push down until I hear that click. There it goes. Got that nice little click. Nice and firm. Awesome. So our 8 gig stick is inserted within our DIMM 1 within our motherboard. We inserted our GTX 970 within our PCIe by 16 port awesome. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Leave comments right below. I think the next video that we're gonna do is insert everything together. Like I insert our cables, our LED cables within our motherboard, our power cable, start inserting that, and also do a little bit of cable management, because it's always a plus doing a little bit of cable management. And thank you for watching, guys, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.